G'day, I'm Paul. This is the McLaren 750S. That is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, the 992. This has a twin turbocharged V8 and is manically quick. That, on the other hand, naturally aspirated 6, but it's got some funny wing thing as well with some flappy things.
Yes, mate, this is the fastest road legal track car I think you could buy, in my opinion anyway, and it's a fantastic car. However, I am utterly horrified standing next to that 750S because that's basically a poor man's 765 and it is probably just as quick. So this is going to be quite embarrassing for me, I reckon.
These are both worth around the same amount of money. It is crazy how expensive the 911 GT3 RS has become. But anyway, reminder as well, we're on a regional airport runway. The surface is terrible, which means the times that you see out of these cars are probably not going to be as fast as some of the times you've seen elsewhere because we cannot get traction on this surface. But it is equal, and we will see how we go with these two rear-wheel drive cars. Now, in terms of the settings that we're using, I'm going to have this in track and track for handling and powertrain with ESC in dynamic mode. We will use launch control for both cars. Alb's going to play around with some of the settings on his with the DRS and some of the different aero settings that he has available. We have had a little play with these earlier today to pick the fastest settings, and these two settings that we're in right now will be as fast as they get. So let's get right into the drag racing.
On go. 3, 2, 1,
What?
I'm actually winning.
It has just come up with a message that says vehicle limp home, engine restart required. That's not very good. So we'll go back and restart the engine, but Elbo's actually won something. Look at him all the way down there.
I won! I don't care what Maric says, that counts.
See, these are the lengths that Elbors will go to win a drag race. It is embarrassing. I did see him tinkering with something here before.
As far as I care, it's 1-0.
All right, let me just restart this thing. Okay, let's try that again.
Paul, have you run out of excuses?
launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, here we go.
Come on, come on, come on! Come on!
That's better.
Ah! Nope.
Oh, that is on another level of destruction. Oh dearie, when it does actually work, it makes other cars look like they're going backwards, and it's not like you are in something insignificant. That is a GT3 RS.
Yes, that was a comprehensive destruction of this car, a lesson in physics of what happens when you have a twin-turbo V8 versus a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engine from 1996.
Do you want one more shot? Do you want to try and chase some of your DRS settings and stuff?
I have a feeling that engine's going to blow up by the middle of this third run, so it's going to be 2-1.
Yeah, you're here for a long time, not a good time.
All right, here we go.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, what?
Come on, come on, come on. Yes, good launch that time. Come on, come on. God damn it, that thing is, what the hell?
Whatever he did actually made a bit of a difference there for about a fraction of a second.
That is on another planet.
What did you do? That actually seemed to work not too badly for you.
Yes, that's called jumping the start and hoping to win, but either way, I still lost.
Okay, so I didn't notice. I was just like, oh, he's sort of, no, he's not. You know what, just because I do feel a little bit sorry for you, what if we, you do launch control, and this time I won't use launch control, I'll just sort of just go off the line. What do you think?
All right, let's give that a go.
I'm just sort of picturing a scenario where you rock up at the traffic lights and, you know, the guy in his McLaren doesn't know that the guy in the Porsche wants to race him until the very last second, and, you know, I don't have time to put it into track mode and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, all right, we'll give it a shot. As a reminder, I will not be using launch control.
Here we go.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on!
Kind of makes no difference at all.
Come on, please! Go faster!
Gonna say maybe during the rolling race you'll beat me, maybe, sort of.
I don't even know what the point of a roll race is, to be honest.
Okay, so it's time for our rolling race. So we get up to 30 k's an hour, and at that white line we both punch it, and we see who is going to be the victor. This does smell very toasty, by the way. Okie dokie, let's do this. Just in the little boost range there.
I'm gonna cheat, I'm gonna cheat, I'm gonna have to cheat! I even left early.
Oh my God, he does not stand a chance at all. Oh well, anyway. Now I'm going to be quiet so we can do a quarter mile run in each of these, and you can see exactly how quick they are and exactly what they sound like. Well, I was expecting this to win, but not by that much. That is such a good looking car. I absolutely love it. Today's been unreal, so thank you again to the town of Wildcatcham for having us, and to Lawrence, our mate, for lending us his incredible car collection. It has been just absolutely something else. We have a number of other videos going live in this series, so if you do want to check those out, head to our YouTube channel. If you're already on there, go to the playlist with all the drag races. Let us know what else you want us to drag race as well, but till next time, take it easy.